Hey Beam Tribe, it's Clayton from Pittsburgh, and we're going to go over neck cars. Okay, so you can do these seated or standing, totally up to you, but we're going to do them from seated here. And we're going to go through one time without any tactile cueing and another time with a little bit of cueing, pulling the chest down here so you can feel some different things, okay? So what we can do is squeeze your fists, have them by your side, and we'll start with tucking in the chin. Give yourself a double chin. Drop it down towards your chest. Find length in the back of your neck. With your chin, sweep across your right collarbone, looking over your right shoulder. Right ear drops down to right shoulder, coming back. With your chin, draw an arch to the ceiling. Left ear, left shoulder. Tuck the chin, look over that shoulder. Sweep the chin across both collarbones. One more time, looking over the right shoulder. Right ear drops down, coming back. With your chin, draw an arch in the ceiling. Left ear, left shoulder. Tuck the chin, look over that shoulder, sweep back to the midline. And coming up, and then go ahead and tuck your chin, give yourself a double or triple chin, drop it down towards your chest. Sweep the chin across the left collarbone, left ear drops down, coming back. With your chin, draw an arch in the ceiling. Right ear, right shoulder, look over that right shoulder, tuck the chin. One more time. Taking your neck through its full range of motion. Good. Now we're going to do that again with this time a little bit of tactile cueing. So a lot of time there's joint coupling. So joints that are next to each other tend to try and move together. So we want to be able to isolate so you can actually learn the true nature of how that space and how that part of your body should move. So what we're going to do here is take your hands on the top of your chest and then just pull down so you can feel that pulling down. We're gonna try and keep the ribs down because a lot of times when people go through neck extension like this and they're coming back, a lot of times they're gonna flare the ribs, arch their back, and really get kind of a little bit crunchy in the back of the neck extension. So what you're gonna do is bring the tops of your hands onto your chest, ribs are down, and we're gonna go through your neck cars again. Tuck the chin, drop them down towards your chest. Chin sweeps across the right collarbone, looking over the right shoulder. Right ear drops down, coming back. And you'll feel a stretch on the pecs, and then this is your true neck range of motion. Left ear, left shoulder, look over that shoulder, sweep back to the midline. One more time, looking over that right shoulder. Right ear drops down, coming back. Draw an arch in the ceiling. Left ear, left shoulder, tuck the chin, look over. Sweep back to the midline. Looking forward and tuck your chin, give yourself a double chin. Drop it down towards your chest. Sweep across the left collarbone. Left ear drops down, coming back. Right ear, right shoulder. Tuck the chin, look over that shoulder. One more time. Keeping those ribs down. Good. So what you probably noticed is two things. One, that you could feel when you wanted to flare the ribs and arch the back to get the neck to do the neck stuff. And two, you probably noticed that the range of motion felt a little bit smaller when you had that tactile cue. Okay, so a lot of times we need to kind of set the ego aside and shrink the range of motion so you can actually work within the space that you're familiar with and that that part of your body and that joints actually work in. Okay, so if you shrink the range of motion, you can actually a lot of times work within your current range, and then that range will get bigger and bigger. So hope that helps.